Hey Loc lovers, it's me, Natty Ann. I'm here today to show you guys what I do after I wash my hair. So instead of putting my hair up in a towel, I'm going to wrap it up with those same leggings that I showed you in my last video. So let's do it. Okay, here's the handy dandy leggings, right? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna flip our hair over, and my hair is still a little damp. So I have my leggings here, and I'm gonna put my hair into the leggings. I want half of my locks to go into one leg, and I want the other half to go into the other. So we want it as evenly distributed as we can. Ooh, that was a whole bunch that I missed there, so. And you want to pull the leggings up and over. So I have one leg filled with locks and the other leg filled with locks. So here I am. I'm going to cross it. Now this is really gonna be different for everybody. It has to feel comfortable to you. But I'm gonna stretch the leggings out so all the locks are in there. And I'm just gonna wrap it. Okay. And tie it. And that's really about it. Okay, so once my locks are in here, it's just holding it in place. It's soaking up all the excess water that might still be in my locks after I washed it. And I can go about my business doing what I want to do. And when I'm ready to let my hair down, a pair of leggings is soaking up all that water. So once I take it off, the leggings will be wet or damp, and then I'll go ahead and start retwisting my hair or styling it, and then going under the dryer to physically dry it. But that's about it. This is my hack when I wash my hair, and it's helped me. I'm not using any towels, so no lint is getting into my locks, especially white towels. We're not doing that. I think the second best thing to use would be t-shirts, but we all know that, right? But I just think this is handy dandy. So tell me what you think.